Today, northwest 15 knots, changing southwest 25 knots, gusting 35 knots early afternoon, easing to 20 knots in the evening.
I'm actually doing amazing. Woo-hoo!
My name is Jacob, I'm Tauranga, and I'm currently the captain of a pirate ship. My 5-year-old dream come true.
2-6 He! 2-6 He!
This is the most scariest stuff I've ever done, but it's really exciting.
My name is Piper, and I am from Whitianga in the Coromandel.
Cleaning up the beach.
Leaving it better than we found it. Woo! Happy birthday to you. It is training day. We are doing this all ourselves. I'm currently on top of the topsail on the Spirit.
We're up here, KLA.
Everyone on this boat over the past week has gotten something out of it, and you get to meet so many people, and it's amazing to go on your own journey while being here and to watch everyone else's. It's inspiring and motivating, and it's also just really fun and a really cool opportunity to do something that is, you know, not a normal thing that you would get a chance for every day.